Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a checking account to Bright Money. If you don't have a Bright Money account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon. On this screen, you will see an option for Funding Account. Tap on Funding Account. At the bottom part of the screen, you will see a button that says Add Checking Account. Tap on Add Checking Account. Next, select the bank you wish to use from the options provided. However, if you cannot find your bank, tap on Search on Plaid. Here you will be informed that Bright Money uses Plaid to connect your account. To proceed, tap on Continue. Now, select the bank you wish to use by tapping on it. Next, you will be asked to authenticate with your chosen bank. To proceed, tap on Continue. Now, log in with your bank's login details. In this case, I'm going to connect my Chime account, so it asks for my email and password. Then, a verification code would be sent to your phone number. Once received, enter it on the field provided. Then tap on Verify. After that, you will be asked to share your bank account data with Plaid. To proceed, tap on I agree. Also, you need to allow Bright to access all your accounts in the selected bank. To allow, tap on Continue. Now you will see that your bank account is successfully linked to Bright Money. That's how you add a checking account to Bright Money. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.